Hey you, have you been seeing 222 everywhere? On receipts, clocks, random signs? Well, that is not a coincidence, and here's what it means for you. 222 is your sign that everything is coming together. Even if it doesn't feel like it yet, the universe is aligning the right people, the right opportunities, and situations for you. All you have to do is just keep showing up. And I know it's hard to trust when you don't see the results yet, but this is your confirmation. So the universe wants you to stay patient, stay open, and let things unfold in divine timing because it's all working out for you. Say this with me. I trust the flow of my life. Everything is working out in my favor. I trust the flow of my life. Everything is working out in my favor. Breathe that in because it is already happening. I'm so excited for you. If this message found you at the perfect time, drop a 222 in the comments and claim this energy. And don't forget to like and follow for more divine downloads. Okay, bye.